morning, say good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to welcome you to International Conference on Collaborative Research in Education, Social Sciences, Humanities, Engineering, and Technology. I will be attending and discussing about sustainable development through design thinking and innovation. Throughout this conference, you will gain valuable insights into how design thinking and innovation can drive sustainable development through human-centered solutions, collaborative research, and eco-friendly practices. It highlights themes such as sustainable product design, circular economic approaches, urban planning, and social innovation for a future. My talk will highlight how creative problem solving and innovative approaches can address global sustainability challenges in education, industry, and society. The SDGs goal serve as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure prosperity for all. Over the course of this conference, we will explore how our collective efforts can contribute to the achievements of the SDGs goal, from innovative research initiatives to transformative educational practices. Every contribution matters. So get ready to engage, connect, and be inspired. Together, let's make the most of this incredible opportunity to learn, to grow, and make meaningful connections. Register now and be part of this transformative experience.